everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. So, I just finished my meal planning. Now, most of you know that nowadays I do work from home, but still I do meal planning. So, I have shared many videos before about my meal planning, but in this video, I do want to share the gadgets that made my meal planning easy and quick. So, I'm sure this video will be helpful to you, whether you are stay-at-home mom or working mom. So while you guys enjoy that video, I need to get ready because we are going out for dinner. We do have the boys home for weekends, so I'm just trying to hurry up and get ready. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get started. So my first gadget here, it is Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with the Auto IQ features. Now this particular one, I bought it few months ago, and ever since I bought it, I've been using it non-stop. Before this, I also had a Ninja blender, and I swear by this brand. The one that I had it before didn't have any problem, but I was using it for many years. It has seen really good days, and I just need to update, right? So that's the reason I bought this. And no, this is not the sponsored video, but I just love this brand. Whatever I have bought from this, it never failed, and especially this one, I've been loving each and every function that this one has to offer. So as you can see here, I'm making the dates milk every single morning. My husband nowadays, he drinks the date milks, and it has the smoothie function. So what I do is I just put it in this cup and press that smoothie button, and then it stop for a few seconds, and it again turn it on. So basically it kind of pulse and it blends perfectly. So while I'm doing that, I can do something else. I don't have to be next to the blender and make sure that everything gets blend properly. So that is the first thing. And also it comes with the two cups like this and the lid, so that makes it really easy to take smoothie on the go. Summer days are just around the corner, so I'm sure I will get more use out of this, but it's perfect for the smoothie or the milkshake. The next one we have here is the 64-ounce processor bowl. That is perfect if you want to chop vegetables very finely, or if you do want to make the dough. Now, to be honest with you, I wasn't first very sure it will make the atta, how we usually make atta with our hands. So I was not using that function first. I was like, nah, I'm okay. I can make the atta by myself. I don't need the machine to make that. But I was like, since it's there, right? Let me just try it. And one day I tried it, and now every time I want to make the atta, this is what I do. So I take 2 cups of atta, 1 teaspoon oil, and salt to taste. Before I start adding any water in it, I let the machine do what it needs to do. And one thing, keep in mind that the lid has the arrow, and this jar also has the arrow. Everything has to line up in order to turn the machine on, because if the arrow doesn't line up with the jar itself and the lid, when you close it, the machine will not turn on. So that one feature I really like about it. Second thing, as soon as you put this small jar on it, machine recognize that, okay, this one is either they want to chop the vegetables or they want to make the dough. So those only 2 options will light up, and you pick whichever you want it. So as you can see, once I turn it on, the chop and the dough is lined up. And then I started adding the water. So with the 2 cups of atta, I took 1 cup of water, and I took the normal lukewarm water, and that's it. I started adding the water little by little, and in just a few minutes atta is ready. So now the flour that I'm using here is the gluten-free flour. That's why you see the color is kind of brownish. So very first time I used this function, I used the normal chapati atta, and the atta came out perfect. So then I experimented with the gluten-free flour to see how that will turn out, because when I make it with the hand, the texture is sticky, so I wasn't sure how it will be. But as you can see, it's a smooth and it's a perfect atta. Now this video is kind of part of my meal planning. Nowadays I work from home, even though I still do meal planning on Sunday, so that way I'm not stuck in the kitchen every day, like, for lunch and dinner. So if you do want to see that part, I will definitely share in my other video. So also it comes with this bigger jar. I did not use it that day, but it's perfect for the large amount of smoothie if you want to make, or if you do want to make the gravy, it's perfect for that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and chop all these vegetables because I was gonna make the cutlet, and for that I need all this vegetable to be finely chopped. So I have some cabbage, cauliflower, as well as beet and some green onions. This machine do all that job for me because in cutlet, or let's say if I'm making Manchurian or mixed vegetable soup, all the vegetable has to be finely chopped. So all I'm gonna do is just add all that in here and let the machine do the work. And how I clean this is I take the warm or hot water, add just a little bit the dish soap in there, and just turn it on for like a few seconds or so, and that's it. That way it get cleaned properly from inside as well. So the reason I like to do that way nothing gets stuck in there. Cleanup is really easy because all I need to do is rinse properly. So here it is, my entire Ninja collection. Highly recommend this, especially for everyday use. Now the next one we have here is this portable Magic Bullet Smoothie Maker. You can use this for smoothie, milkshake, or the lassi. As you can see, as the name say, it is portable, it is small. It comes with the USB charger, so you can use this anywhere because nowadays we all have a USB charger. First time when I bought it, I actually bought it for both of my boys who's in the college right now. So I thought that way at least in the morning they can make the smoothie or the protein shake for them. They both liked it so much, so I thought let me buy it for myself and see how it is. So here I'm making mango lassi. So I have some mango pulp, yogurt. I'm gonna add some rose water and some ice, and that's about it. Summer days are coming, so this thing is perfect. If you don't want to take out the Ninja entire big blender, you can just use this. And like I say, it comes with a USB charger, right? So you can just plug it in anywhere. And once you charge this, it stay charged for up to I think 4 or 5 days. So it's not like every day you have to charge it. So you can even just take it with you. So this thing is so perfect. It is small, but don't go by the size. It get the job done because I have used this with the frozen fruits also, and still with the frozen fruits, it get blend very easily. So highly recommend this. Next one we have here is this Brown multi-quick hand blender. It is small, it is very lightweight, but it is so powerful. Especially for everyday use, this is perfect because let's say if I want to chop some green chilies, garlic, or I just want to make some tomato puree, I'm not going to use the big blender for that. So this one comes so handy. So here I'm making chash, the buttermilk. So this attachment comes with it. All I need to do is just whisk properly. So you can make the chash, you can use this for milk, or even if you want to make the butter at home, you can use this whisk for that as well. Now here, as you see, I'm gonna go ahead and chop some green chilies, garlic, as well as the onion. Again, like I said, it has a different speed and it get the job done. It is small, and for everyday use, I don't need to use the big blender for that. So it is perfect, and it's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. So for everyday use, I would highly recommend this. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and make some tomato puree. So here I'm using the baby tomatoes. You can use the normal size, just chop them. And as you can see, it's really easy to make tomato puree in here.
If you have babies at home, you make their food, it is perfect for that as well. So that's my entire brewing blender. Now the next one we have, I'm sure every household has some kind of version at their house, and that is this onion chopper. I have bought different brand before off of Amazon, and somehow they just kind of stop working. They break on me, but this one, knock on wood, been using it for quite some time. It's going very well. It comes with all this different attachments. Some of them, to be honest with you, I haven't used it. But mainly I use this. It's for when I want to chop the onion. When I'm making salad, I want my onion to be finely chopped, and it is perfect for that. In my last video or the video before where I share dudina mutia with using the gluten-free atta, so when I shred the Loki, I use one of this attachment for that. So once in a while, I do use this attachment, but some of them I haven't used it at all. But the mainly I use this to chop onions. And only complaint with this that I have is that the top part, it doesn't fit properly in there. It comes with all this hand blender as well. So if you don't want to use the electric, it's perfect for that. I do have one other one that is from Tupperware, but that one is smaller than this one. So this one is quite a big one. So all you see here, it comes with everything. So as I mentioned, the mainly I use this to chop onions, tomato, whatever the vegetables I want finely chopped, I use this. Like I say, the only complaint I have is the top part when I chop the onion, it doesn't fit properly. Other than that, it's fine. So I bought this off of Amazon. I'm gonna link everything down in the description, as well as if you go on my Amazon storefront page, you will find all that in there as well. So as you can see, it get the job done, but that top part sometimes it's not fit properly in there. But that just doesn't bother me anymore. As long as it get the job done, that's all I care. It comes with this booklet so you can see exactly which attachment to use for what. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description box as well as on my Amazon page. And like I mentioned, this is all part of my meal planning. So if you do want to see how I do it, leave the comments below. I will definitely share how I meal plan now, especially when I work from home. So I will definitely share that video with you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will be back soon with another video. So take care and I will see you soon. Bye.